In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create Tasco Club Card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly register and order a Tasco Club Card. The Club Card will give you a lot of possibilities, a lot of discounts, and it will allow you to collect points that can be used, like I said, for vouchers, different websites, different services, and so on. Now, to start and get your Club Card, you will have to register with a Tasco account. You can do this through the website, which is what I recommend doing first. And after you are done registering through the official website, download the mobile app. You will need this mobile app eventually. You can start the process here or do the website first and then the app. But to keep it simple, in summary, sign up for a Tasco account. After you are done signing up, which has a lot of personal information included, like your phone number, email address, home address, and so on, you will be able to open the app to manage and get your Tasco Club Card. So sign in with your account. This is how the registration process will look like on the website. So you will have to include all of your personal information and choose this option, which should be the default. When you choose to join Club Card, you will receive the Club Card, and during the account verification process, when you sign in on the app, you will have to input the last 4 digits of your Club Card. Alternatively, if for whatever reason you didn't get the Club Card, you can also choose the option inside of the mobile app. So if the website didn't allow you to get the Club Card, just choose it here. And after you are done acquiring the Club Card through the registration process on the website and the mobile app, you will have access to all of the vouchers, all of the promotions, all of the features of the Club Card inside of the app. And you just have to proceed to checkout with your phone to take advantage of all of these benefits. I hope I was able to help you on how to create Tasco Club Card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.